empty himself.
She likes it. Look at that. We'll shoot that ball out of it. Get the mama, get the mama. There you go. Use it on every time somebody gets in the thing. You use that thing to tear them out of there. Like a baby.
What? It's just like a blow dryer.
Big blow up, high choke. That's gonna work every time they're going over. Roof! 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 With
Get it!
Get Lily!
Get it, Lily!
Get it! Get Lily!
Look at it blow the grass.
Look at her go. Here she comes, babe. Babe, get her, 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 get her. Hey, Rosie, like, what the hell? Be a big hair dryer here. Right behind you, babe. There. Bear. Wait.
Don't get in my garden. I'm gonna blow you right out of it.
That's funny. Oh, we grew balls, did we? Take her around there. That's funny. Big fur ball there. Get him. Oh, jeez. Look at TT. Look at TT being. Look at TT being.
Shiplet.
It's exciting.
See how far it blows?
Mm-hmm.
Blows willow.
Definitely ride, baby.
He don't even care.
Oh, jeez. That's funny. Now we go pee on the freaking.
Peeing on her clothesline.
Told you. No wind's gonna stop me.
Did you forget I like the blow dryer?
I know, doesn't he? The big one. It's funny.
Everybody else is in the yard though. They're like, I'm good.
I'm good. Oh, Rose hides on the seat. Was that fun, Rose? Was that fun? Huh? Here come get you. right. What, Poach, you like that, huh? Somebody's ready to blow dry you guys. I'm out of here. Yeah. The use of the weed eater is on it now. Hi, Mama. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wee wee. Oh, TT, okay. I'm gonna get me a lily. I'm gonna get me a lily bell. I'm gonna get me a lily bell. Get a lily bell. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try. Just for the heck of it, we're gonna. They're going in. Ooh, that went in there. Let's see if it'll blow it out of here.
Say, don't aim it at them.
No, just a little.
Hit somebody and knock them out.
No. Well, we know that does that. Not interested. Not really retrievers. Oh, get in there. Mama. Get it, Mama. That ball's bigger than her mouth, unfortunately. Now we know it'll blow a Pocky.
Get it, Pocky.
Here comes Pocky. Ready? Hey-oh. Hey, baby, get it. She's more of a sock retriever. She's more of a slipper retriever there. Ready? It goes. Nope. Oh well. TT. TT. It's supposed to be a yard tool, not a
Mess with the dogs.
Okay, enough fun. Enough fun for one day. Wee. Willie. Now we know what to do with them when they get all wet. Dear, where's the blower? She don't like it. Hi, Mama.
You don't like it.
I know. Here we go. All right, enough fun for one day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Woo! Catch you on the next Around the House.